Afternoon. My name's Kate Brown. I work as a Warm Homes Support Officer for the Warm Homes Service. We work within Public Health Department at Leicestershire County Council. Next slide, please. Our Warm Homes Service offers advice to Leicestershire residents covering tenures such as owner-occupiers, private rented and social rented sector. We do not provide an emergency service, however, but depending on tenure, if a resident experiences, for instance, no heating or hot water, please do send a referral to receive advice and we will respond within 2 working days. So that's specifically towards owner occupiers, the heating and hot water situation. Moving through, we also receive routine referrals, which wait times can vary depending on demand. With winter being our busier period, our routine referrals have a current wait time of 2 weeks for a response. Some of the advice areas that we cover can be insulation or heating upgrade, depending on tenure, then through to energy arrears, energy efficiency advice, and dampness and condensation. And you've got the next slide ready, thank you. Steps to prepare for homes for winter can involve protecting pipes from freezing by insulating with pipe insulation to assist against being exposed to low temperatures. Again, adjusting the boiler flow temperature between, for example, 60 to 65 degrees, lowering it to that level. If you have perhaps a combi boiler, can help reduce your gas bill. We do also have user guide videos available which can assist with this if relevant to your circumstances. Consider reviewing loft insulation levels. For example, an uninsulated loft can lose 25% of heat through the roof area, and consider reviewing if there's no loft insulation in situ, or if it's at low level, review if it requires any more top-ups perhaps. Next slide, please. We have a Warm Homes newsletter, a digital newsletter updating Leicestershire residents by email of new scheme offers, which typically circulate a few times per year. We also discuss any longer term support available, such as grants or self-funding options to repair or upgrade heating systems and insulation options, but that's depending on tenure typically. We are a small team offering warm homes advice. Part of the team also identifies and sets up new funding schemes periodically to help widen offers available to residents. I've listed 2 schemes we have. So our new grant coming up is called the Warm Homes Local Grants. It's not live yet, we're not quite ready, but we're working on it. Hopefully maybe launching around mid to late winter. And lastly, our scheme, Local Authority Flex, which helps widen household eligibility to a national scheme known as Eco4 funding. And we also speak of other schemes, not through ourselves, external. So this would be other schemes nationally or locally that we're aware of through other organisations, and we do speak to residents about this so they have the full breadth of offers that may be available. Next slide, please. We have put together our energy efficiency grants webpage. It's a resource. You're welcome to take a look, summarising local and national schemes that we're familiar with. And we also have a variety of guides and leaflets available covering lots of different topics for residents to take a look at, which are accessible through our service. Last slide, please. Residents can refer for advice. It would be via referral through to our service, or in some cases professionals can also send a referral on behalf of a resident if you have permission to do so, all through a variety of methods such as our online form, telephone, email, or referral platforms known as First Contact Plus and Joy Marketplace, where we have a listing as well where you can contact our service. So a breadth of contact methods. We do speak to, in some cases, relatives, friends and neighbours, excuse me, of residents, if there's difficulty to receive the information, a nominated contact, a trusted friend or neighbour. If you have permission from the residents, we may be able to provide advice. Thank you.